Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're taking a look at this Saint Laurent Loulou chain shoulder bag. This is going to be a very quick fly-through video just so you can see the amount of colors and sizes that this classic YSL comes in. So first up, the size that we're taking a look at is actually the medium. So as we get our first look at this bag, it does have some organization inside, but it doesn't have any external pockets on the outside, which makes it very clean and sleek, but also gives it that extra organization that you need sometimes on the inside. Now popping over to this other side, we see this small version. So again, these come in the same colors, and they actually come in a lot more colors than we're seeing just here. This red wine color is just so beautiful. We had to pause to take a better look at it. Again, opening it up, we can see that the orientation of the bag is the same regardless of the size. So you do have that center zipper pocket, which could be used for valuables, things like that, as well as some additional zipper pockets and pouches along the other sides. Finally, taking a look at the large version of this bag, we can see again it is the same layout. Overall, regardless of what size bag you go for, this is a great bag. It feels sturdy, it feels luxurious, and it really feels like you're getting a quality piece. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.